Hello everyone, this is Ted. Welcome to my video. When it comes to earth-moving work, excavator is an indispensable tool used for digging and moving earth. Today I'd like to introduce you SANY SY245H Excavator. SANY, a famous brand, ranked 4th on the world's ranking board of construction machinery last year. It makes excellent work in the field of excavator. SY245H is a medium-sized excavator with operating weight 255,000 kilograms. It is equipped with Mitsubishi D06FRC engine, 1.3 cubic meters bucket, KAWASAKI KMX15R valve, and KAWASAKI K7V125 pump, all of which help the customer solve the operating difficulties of heavy-duty work condition. With strong power system, its bucket digging force reaches 175 kN and its arm digging force reaches 120 kN. Its maximum digging height is up to 9,745 millimeters, and its maximum digging depth reaches 6,705 millimeters. There are two driving modes. When it turns to high traveling speed mode, the speed of the excavator is 5.4 kilometers per hour. When it turns to low traveling speed mode, the speed is 3.4 kilometers per hour. This is the end of introduction of excavator SY245H. I'm Ted. See you next time. Bye.